This is the Lakme Sun Expert Tinted Sunscreen 50 SPF, to protect your skin from harmful sun rays. The Lakme 50 SPF Sun Expert Tinted Sunscreen has SPF 50, which shields up to 97% of UVB rays, and the PA++ shields from UVA rays that cause dark spots. It feels light and non-sticky on skin, and helps fight dark spots, premature aging and skin darkening that happen due to sun damage. It is infused with cucumber and lemongrass extracts. It is suitable for normal skin types. It has a cucumber fragrance. The sunscreen comes in a 100 grams tube. To use, smooth onto cleansed face and exposed part of the skin 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 3 to 4 hours for maximum protection. Avoid contact with eyes. In case of eye contact, rinse thoroughly with clear water. Use the Lakme Sun Expert Tinted Sunscreen 50 SPF to protect your skin from harmful sun rays. For further information, visit the product detail page.